Here's a quick Panopto tutorial. In this video, we'll show how to upload a caption file to a video. Let's get started. First, find your video in Panopto and choose Settings. On the next screen, choose Captions. Under the Upload Captions section, choose English from the drop-down box to set the video's language, and then select the Choose File button. Next, find and attach your caption file, and then choose the Upload Captions button. Close the Settings box and wait for the upload process to finish. This may take a few minutes. Now back on your folder screen, choose Edit, and then Captions on the next screen to check the uploaded captions. There should be minimal errors if the caption file is from a professional captionist. And now your video has captions. For more information, visit accessibility.uncg.edu/demos-checklist. That's accessibility.uncg.edu/demos-checklist.